Hi, this is Doreen Velin. I'm here at the Fairmont Hotel in Ottawa and just noticing the difference between different kinds of art between West and Eastern Canada. We're a very large country. You're looking at 6,000 miles across, so you have different climate, different way of life, and the art is very different. This is actually more colorful in my camera than it is in real life. It's quite dark in real life, and this is a bit brighter too in my camera. So it's a bit deeper colors, darker, but lots of shadows. Notice the use of shadows, very prominent shadows. A little different than for us. For some reason, this appeals to me. I don't know who the artist is, but I like that because it's got a lot of depth. I think it's got depth, it's got mystery. You're looking through that darkness into light at the back of it. That's sort of my kind of style. I love it. A little bit of white that's in there really brings your eye to that white. It's got good form, and the rule of 3 is used here, and you got a lot of color. I'm going to get close to it right here. It's very interesting. I seen a lot of different kinds of art here. Some I think is great, and some I think like some of it is that's got good form, that one. Then there's this one. And going down the aisle, we have this one. Cool stuff. That one's a good one. I like that. Whether I like it or not, it really doesn't, because it's a saturation. But there's your strokes. Look at the strokes, how free they are. Very free in the strokes. Just nothing harsh. All soft strokes. Just wisps of the paintbrush, which gives you the idea of form. That's what makes it interesting. It's not harsh, it's not definite, it's not realism. It's just really nice. Very good. Very good. I'm whispering because I don't know if I'm supposed to be talking here or not.